TiaVapers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Mission Vape. So this is the little Mission Pod Mod style. I do have one for a giveaway. So if you want a chance to win, just stay tuned and I'll tell you sometime in the video how to win. This does come in black, red, or dark red. This is the red version. So let's dive down close. I'll show you what the kit comes with and how to work the device. All right, here is the packaging for the Mission. On the back it does have the kit contents. So let's open her up. Right on top we have a caution card about the cartridge, a user's manual for the Mission, and here is the little Mission device. Underneath that we do have a micro USB to USB cord used for charging, the 270 milliamp hour battery, and two cartridges that both hold 1 mils. Now there is a standard edition and a TPD edition, but I didn't see anything that changed between them. So let's take off these rubber pieces here. It looks really freaking nice. Look how nice that looks. Here on the side we have the charge port. This is where the cartridge goes. It does say FP Mission on the bottom here. Really teeny tiny device. Its max output is 6 watts, which is 3.2 to 4.2 volts, and it does have bypass mode, so you can vape it while it's charging. Let's go ahead and fill up one of these cartridges. Here is the cartridge up close. You can see the coil and the wicks, the air pipe, the mouth hole, and to fill it you just pull and twist and fill on either side here. You can see the connections for when we're going to stick it in there. Let's fill it up. Of course this is good for Nick salts, but I don't use Nick salts, so I'm going to use Pound It. Use my code TIA20 on Bonsai Vapor's website for 20% off that flavor or any other flavor. And so you just click the cartridge down in there and it clicks in, and this is the release button for when you want to change your cartridge. That's pretty neat. It is 83 millimeters by 25 millimeters by 9.5 millimeters. It does have a battery light indicator here on the side. By the charge port you can see that little circle. So this is the pop-up button like I showed, and the fire button is actually interesting. You push up. So that is, it's off right now, and 5 pushes to the fire button will turn it on. You have to do it quick, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it is on. You can see it's flashing on, and to fire it, oh, see, that fires it. So that's the fire button, totally different than what I'm used to seeing. Pretty freaking cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is turning off. So let's take this interesting little guy up to FaceTime and have a vape. Do you wanna vape it? Do you wanna vape? Alright guys, so that is the Mission. Let's get a special guest on here to give this a couple vapes. Alright guys, got my cousin Katie back again.
Hey again, what's up?
To try the Mission. This is a European designed vape. So to turn it on, you have to go,
ooh,
and then it's on. And to vape it, you have to,
that many times?
5 times. That's normal. Lots of vapes are 5 button clicks, but this one you have to do it 5 up. And to vape it, you have to push it up.
You gotta get it up.
So she said. So I have not tried this. So, I mean, you're gonna have to try it. I have no idea how it's gonna work. So, like,
interesting.
But if you push it up, it's gonna fire. So you want to be inhaling on this piece.
So it's ready to go? It's like you've primed it, it's good to go? Okay, how long does it stay primed once you do the 5 clickies?
Oh, it's on.
So, and then you have to turn it off?
Yeah, but you have to push it up to vape it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Here we go.
I know, I'm like.
Okay, what, do I push it and then go up? Oh my god.
You don't push the button in.
Okay.
You just slide it up and the mouthpiece will come out.
Guys, this is difficult.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, how is this gonna work? Is it working?
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think, ooh, that's lemony. Is that lemon?
Same flavor.
Oh, that's really lemony. Wow,
Really
this is the most lemon that I've gotten out of it. It's like overpowering the cake taste.
Wow.
It's good.
So yeah, that's how it works. That's so interesting to me. Yeah, and you gotta let it go back down or it'll keep.
It'll keep firing, releasing the stuff. No, oh my gosh, the cake is coming through amazing. Or the lemon in the cake. Anyways.
I'm surprised.
Oh, it's good.
Are you being serious?
No, I'm being so serious.
Oh wow.
Totally, this is the most lemony of all of them.
I would not expecting that, especially from the cartridge.
Right on.
So what it is this is the release button.
Okay.
Okay. And so you put the e-liquid in this little guy. And there's like the wire and the wicks. And you do that by twisting this part. And that's how that works. And then you just, it magnetics or it clicks into there. And then you push up to like a freaking Pop-Tart.
Damn. Yeah, it works.
So weird.
Great. This thing is giving me lots of good flavor. And the cloud, I mean, it's pretty dense clouds. Okay.
I'm honestly so surprised that the flavor is coming through because it's like a weird coil to me. Wow.
This thing's pretty legit. Way to go, Europe. Awesome.
Wow, I am like impressed. So I've never heard of this company, never heard of this device, never seen one being used like that.
Yeah, good for them. They're killing it.
Smells good.
This thing's awesome, and it's the most compact I've ever seen. This thing is nice and tiny. I mean, it's about the size of a big lighter. So, I mean, you got a breast pocket, you can carry it around in there.
Boob it.
Yes, boob it. Just stick it in the bra. There we go. Frick, I could hide it in my ponytail. It's tiny.
Oh my god.
This thing's awesome.
You could. That's crazy. I think that's so
And the suction's not cheap. Like, I don't feel like I'm having to work for it, you know, like sitting here really expending a lot of energy to get the vape out. So.
What's the temperature like?
Nice and cool. Nice and cool. Not like the bigger mods I've tried before. It's probably just because I'm such a little fetus vapor, but they're definitely hotter for me. And the compact ones, I haven't got that same heat. It's just room temperature. It's nice and
easy peasy.
It's lovely. Yeah, it's really easy to vape for sure.
That's just so cool, so innovative. I mean, if you guys have seen any other device that fires like that, let me know, because at first I was confused. I thought the release button was the fire button, and I thought that you just put your mouth over the whole thing. I was like, how does this even work? And then I figured it out, read the directions.
Yeah. Oh wow, those are helpful, aren't they?
Yeah.
I just keep those
like learn as you go.
Yeah. Get a new game, throw out the instructions. I'll figure it out like Harry Potter, Monopoly. No, it wasn't Monopoly. It was Clue.
Yeah.
Harry Potter Clue.
Yeah, that took some. That is a lot of different.
That took some brain
power. I love
power.
that game.
That game is the shit.
That power, let me tell you.
I love the power.
Oh my gosh, so yeah.
Yeah, this thing's awesome.
Definitely something that I could see myself like just throwing in my purse and having as a backup.
Oh, for sure. Oh my gosh. I mean, it can fit in any little compartment of your purse too, the smallest one. So if you want to be discreet, this is great for if you just want to be discreet.
Like on a plane, in the bathroom.
Yeah.
People do that.
Or freaking, yeah, bring it to work. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you're a shy vapor. You don't want people to know. I don't know. No shame. But
I know people that have family that they don't want to know that
there
they
you
vape,
go.
so.
Yeah, if you're going on holiday, going to the family member's house, I mean, honestly, this would stick right in your purse. Tuck it in a sock. No one has to know.
If you are an adult and legal age to vape.
Yes. I'm not advocating to young underage people here.
I know there's like
I'm 27 and still ashamed some of my lifestyle choices with my parents. Aren't we all? We never outgrow being our parents' kids.
Oh, we're always their kids.
Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. So it's easier with a thumb. Definitely go the right way. There we go.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yay.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that's the little mission kit. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.
Awesome. Bye-bye.
That thing is so neato.
That is really cool.
So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you want to win this for yourself, just comment down below what you think. Like, what are your thoughts on the mission? I am like so intrigued by the push up fire button. I think that's really cool and innovative. And if you don't throw away the plastic thing like I did, you can use it as a cover cap, so that's awesome. Anyways, don't forget to check the giveaway details before entering as well. You can check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Snapchat. I also have a Patreon account where I do vape-related monthly rewards over there, so if that's something that might interest you, you can check the link below as well. And one more thing before I go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please learn how you can fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.